Hey, I finally think I got the calculator to work. So I can show you we can now talk about the natural base e and how that affects natural logs. And so this is part two of our notes for 12.3. All right, so we're going to be looking at the base e. Now, e is what's known as Euler's number, but really I just want you to think about it as like a number like pi. It's just e. It's a number that goes on for forever, just like pi, and it's a number that's used so often in mathematics that we just made a specific symbol for it, and that symbol is e. You can find that symbol on your calculator. If you look over, you can go second e, you go second division sign, you can see that symbol, or if you go second ln, you can see e, and then you can put a power in there too. And that's going to be an important one because that's going to come up occasionally. Now, e is just a number that shows up for us. And it shows up so much in logarithms, that we have a specific type of logarithm specifically for e. And that is called a natural log. So here, if we have a log base e of x, that can just be written as a natural log of x. So if you ever see ln of x, not 1n, not in, just ln, if you ever see ln of x, that is the natural log of e, the log of e for that number, okay? So take a look here. On number 9, what would we normally do? We would have log base e of 4. And so if I was trying to solve this, I would use the change of base formula. And I would go log of 4 over log of e. And that would give me what my x value is. Because remember, it is your value over your base when we plug that in. So we can plug that into our calculator here. We can go log base 4. See, I didn't clear out. We're going to go log base 4 divided by log of, and we can go second e and close this parentheses, and we get our answer of 1.386, and it rounds down to 6 there. So it's going to stay 6. So 1.386 is going to be my answer. X equals 1.386. And that's my solution here. Okay? So same thing. But I want you to look here at the next one. This one has just ln of 4, natural log of 4. And we can just do the same thing with our calculator. We can just pull up our calculator and go ln, natural log of 4, close the parentheses, hit enter. Oh, but check this out. Check this out. These two are equal to each other. Isn't that crazy? These two are equal to each other. And the reason is because we come back here and look at this, these two equations are the same. A log base e is the exact same thing as saying natural log. It's used so much in mathematics that we had to shorten it. We just said natural log or log natural of 4, and we get the same answer. Here I have x equals 1.386 again. Now, whenever we use natural logs, we get an exact answer and we get an approximate answer. This is only an approximate answer. Okay? And it's an approximate answer because it's a decimal that technically goes on for forever, but we can only write so many decimal places. Our exact answer is right there. That is our exact answer. The same way we can write like 2 pi as an answer, but we can also work it out and find the decimal. Same idea. All right, say number 11. So number 11, this is natural log of x equals 3, so I can rewrite this as log of e of x equals 3. Log e of x equals 3. So this is log base e. That's what natural log is. And you'll notice x is inside. It's not what we're equal to this time. So I have to go and I have to rewrite this. I'm going to rewrite this and go here and then back to here. So it's going to be e to the 3rd power equals x. And e to a power, that's the opposite of a natural log. These two are opposite. We've swung it around. And this is also used very often in mathematics. E to a power to get a value, that's also used. If we pull up our calculator here, you'll notice in blue here above the ln button, we have an e to the power button. And so I can go e to the power of 3, hit enter, and I get an answer, 20.0856, because it rounds up. So we're going to go x equals 20.856. So I'm going to have two answers. I'm going to have an exact answer right there like that, and we're going to have an approximate answer. All right, then if we continue on here, we can look here and we can see that we're going to be doing this similar thing here. Here, this is log base e. Excuse me. This is log base e. And so what I can do, goodness, why is it doing that? Log base e. Silly computer, it's running the streaming at the same time. It cannot handle it all. Okay, log base e to the negative 2. So we're going to have e to the negative 2 equals x. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to pull up our calculator. We're going to go second e to the x, and this time we're going to plug in a negative 2. We're going to go e to the negative 2 equals 0.135. This one rounds down. So x equals 0.135. And once again, I have an exact answer right here and an approximate answer right here. Next up, we have a natural log of negative 2. All I have to do here is plug this into my calculator. So all I do is going to pull this up, go natural log of negative 2. Oh man, oh no. So that is a non-real answer. Remember, we cannot take the logarithm of a negative. We can have a negative exponent, that's fine. But we cannot take a log of a negative, so this one is just no solution. And my last one, we have natural log of x equals 3 over 2. So what we're going to do here is we're going to, again, remember that this is a base of e, so we're going to go e to 3 over 2 equals x. And so we can just plug that in. We can plug in e to the 3 over 2. So go second, clear. We're going to go second, e to the 3 divided by 2. And there you go. 4.482 is going to be our answer here. X equals 4.482. I want to help you a little bit out with your homework on this today. Okay, you got our two answers. This is my approximate, this is my exact. But I'm going to help you out a little bit with your homework today. So let me pull this up. And this is the back of your homework. I'm just going to scroll through this slowly to show you a couple of the ways that we can start out our problems on this. That way, and then at the bottom, make sure you notice that there are your random answers in a random order. Okay, so there you go. So that might help you out a little bit. All right, guys. Hope this video has been of help to you. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks.